Thanks for joining us this Monday the 11th. Good morning. I'm Judy Wang. Our top story this half hour. An audio tape on which a railroad dispatcher admits his error may be what convinced a jury to award an Addison family injured in a train accident $54 million. 3 family members suffered brain injuries when the freight train hit their SUV. Their attorney says this award may be the largest of its kind. CLTV's Jim Wagner joins us from Bloomingdale, where that accident happened about a year ago. Jim?
That's right, Judy. The victim's lawyer says it's the largest crossing Illinois, or should I say railroad crossing verdict in Illinois history, $54 million. Ironically, when we arrived here this morning to cover the story, the crossing malfunctioned again. The gates mysteriously went down right around 4:45 a.m. More than 2 hours later, the crossing remained activated without a single train passing through. DuPage County Sheriff's deputies arrived to allow motorists through the crossing in an orderly fashion. It's the same crossing where 73-year-old Fidel Velarde, his 72-year-old wife Francisca, and their daughter Lilia Apolello were traveling in Lilia's SUV. When they crossed the tracks, they were struck by a freight train lawyers say weighed 8 million pounds. All 3 family members suffered irreversible brain damage. And at trial, Illinois Central Railroad said one of its dispatchers mistakenly told the train's crew the crossing's gates and lights had been repaired when they hadn't.
We're having so much fun I can't stand it. I had a little incident on my hand here. I had my hand full. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. I thought about it. I go, yeah, I said him something. And then I got busy with that incident, and I got to looking up and I said, I don't see my piece of paper showing me where I did, and I guess I screwed up.
Well, further investigation revealed the crossing here in Bloomingdale hadn't been working properly in the 2 weeks leading up to the accident. As far as the problem here this morning, at about 7:15, a member of the Illinois Central Railroad came to fix the problem. He got the gates going back up. The deputy from the DuPage County Sheriff's Office then immediately left, and traffic went on as usual, but it's still not known whether this crossing is working properly. In Bloomingdale, Jim Wagner, CLTV News. Judy?
Thanks, Jim.